Get ready.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to the playlist. This is just a quick video to show you how to set up the assets that I provide, which will be in the description. See the link. When you've downloaded them, they're on Mediafire, so it's no hassle, no bullshit. But if you are going to be using these in your game, a commercial retail game, I suggest you highly recommend you support the developer and go out and buy them. But I'll give these crack versions away for free. Well, I've bought them, but I'm giving them away for free so you can follow them for demonstration purposes only. When you've extracted the file, you should be presented with 4 folders like this inside the main folder called UE4 tutorial assets. To import them properly, you want to highlight them all, right click, go to copy, then go to your local disk where your Unreal Engine is installed to. Mine's on the default hard drive is local disk, which is C. It's program files x86 where you want to go in, then go into Epic Games. If I can just find it, click on that. Double click on launcher, then double click on vault cache, and right click and paste them in here. And when they're in there, click on Unreal Engine, library, then the ones you want, don't worry about the rest of them. The ones we're looking for is Cyborg Soldier. It should have the megs inside, so you should add it to the vault cache shop here. You should add to project, and if it's not compatible, you click show all projects, then your project should come up when you click on show all projects. Ours is that one, so you click on that, then when it says select version, you click on that and you choose the latest version that it's compatible with. Ours is 418 and you click add to project. We don't want Alex, it's already added. And then you do the same for the rest of them, which would be you want to add that to the project. If it says create the project and migrate it. Like this weapon component that you get, you got to create the project, and once you're in the project, say it looks like this, yeah, Unreal browser, go all the way to the top. When this is imported and you've loaded it up, so you right click on the main folder itself, right click, go to migrate, comes with all the files, you click OK, make sure they're all selected, you've got all the files, click OK, then choose the content browser of the project you want it to be in. So if ours was, you go to, normally by default, it'd be under documents, Unreal projects, then ours would be World of New Dawn. Double click on that, double click on content, and make sure, then press select folder, make sure it goes into the content browser. So if you can always install it into the content browser and move it into a different folder later, but always make sure that you install it into the content browser to begin with. And that's how you set up YouTube. Thank you for watching. In the next video we move on to something a bit more fun, how to create the player character. Stay tuned for that one. Goodbye YouTube.
Get ready.